Here we have a 2019 BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the grey exterior paintwork with the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the front splitter. This vehicle does have the full M Performance kit, which if we walk around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We have the rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Got the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust. And if we press this button on the remote, then the boot will open just like so. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space, whatever you may need. We have the storage nets on the left and also on the right hand side. Partial shelf as well just up there. We also have a button up here. Press this button and then the boot will close again just like so. And walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, so inside of the back first, you find we have the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We do have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. You find the electric windows on the doors along with the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Same full leather interior at the front, and there's a look at them front seats. Very comfortable seats inside of here. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, then you'll find the dashboard in front of us with a digital screen in the centre. Just put our foot on the brake, press your start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. High beam assist just there on that stalk. As you can see, we are also free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, it's currently showing the sat-nav. Got the shortcuts down here, so if you click onto the media, then you find the radio stations along with the rest of the options for the media just here as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the different drive modes, so the Eco Pro drive mode. We have the Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus, which also has the sport displays just there. Really nice feature to have. Further down you find the climate control, got the ice-cold air conditioning just here as well. Automatic gearbox, if you put it into reverse, then you find the reversing rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. Got the cup holders inside of there with a 12-volt connectivity, manual handbrake and a leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.